Today we are going to learn how to cook bean sprouts. Bean sprout side dish and bean sprout soup are often served in Korean restaurants and very easy to cook at home.
Okay, let's go.